The best thing that I've ever done to help repair my childhood trauma was begin learning about my mother wound. I constantly joke, just like everyone else, that I had mommy issues. Or we see it on entertainment, TV, movies, and we literally can see it, notice it. That guy has mommy issues. I finally decided to understand what that actually meant to me. I mean, what could go wrong? My life was already shit. First thing I looked up is, what is the mother wound? And simple. These are the pain, wounds, and trauma your mother carried and passed down to you. Was that what you were expecting? I know I wasn't. My next step was understanding what that looks like or manifests in my adult life now, which some of the traits are paralyzing perfectionism, low self-esteem, not being able to set healthy boundaries, having this weird feeling like you just don't belong or there's something wrong with you. Not to mention the feeling of needing to take care of others and literally be their mother. No wonder I attracted such shitty relationships. And the list goes on, but it doesn't even matter about what traits are connected with the mother wound. What matters is, what are you going to do now with repairing it? Now, this can look like anything to you. This can be repairing the relationship you have with your mother, but ultimately it's going to be connecting back to yourself. So I'd love to start by having you answer this simple question. In what ways are you seeking mother's validation? And how does this impact your life? Now, reminder, this doesn't have to be from your mother. This can be from coworkers, relationships, as well as yourself. Can't wait to hear what you've come up with. Go ahead and comment, and I'm proud of you.